Hey y'all, did y'all miss me or not? So I'm gonna show you modern show hair, and I got 4 bundles in a closure. I got a 26, 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch closure. BW2 bleach, some color correcting drops, a bowl, a brush, 30 volume developer, and gloves and foil. And just so you know, like, I did end up buying another 26-inch to make it thicker because it was just thin and I didn't like that look. So anyways, I used half of the pack of BW2 bleach, and I used like 4 capfuls of the 30 volume developer, and I mixed it till it was really thick and more like a paste, like a I don't even know what to explain it, but it was like really thick, thicker than toothpaste. So then I spread that gently and evenly onto my closure, not pressing too hard. Just know we finna slay the hell out of this wig. And notice my braid pattern, by the way. So I used the Godspeed glue gel, and I'm gonna take my edge brush and brush my edges back, because you do not want any of your hair in the way of this process. And I'm taking this medium cap, well, medium stocking cap, and I'm taking more Godspeed glue gel, and I'm putting it right there before my hairline, and taking a Godspeed glue spray as well. And you want to blow dry that completely on cool. Now I'm just cutting the unnecessary cap off that I do not need. Yes, and if you feel like the cap is too far down than you like, you could just peel it up and cut, and then do not hurt at all. And I'm taking the spritz just to lay the little parts of the cap that kind of rolled back when I cut it, and you want to blow dry that on cool as well. I just didn't show that in the video. Now I'm taking my foundation powder, and I'm going to put that on my closure. Even though I bleached the knots, it's just going to help further blend. And I also put some of that powder on my cap too. You want everything to blend and be seamless, trust me. So here's the wig, and I made this wig myself. Now I'm just going to put it on, adjust it, align my part up with my natural part, pull the wig and make sure it's fitting perfectly and it's aligned nicely. The part looks nice. So right here is, this day I wanted to sew my wig down. So right here I'm just sewing it down in the back. So I found the space to where I want to sew my wig onto. And you want to make sure you get through the braid, through the cap. And I'm just making stitches all the way through. And I will show you how I was stitching, where I slow it down and, you know, wrap the thread around the needle and pull to make a knot to secure it. And I'm going to show you right about here, I believe. Yes, right here. So I'm pushing the needle through the braid and through the cap. And you want to pull the needle out. And then you want to wrap the needle around the thread like 4 times. And then pull. And you make a knot and then secure the wig into place. So I pretty much did that like all the way in the back. But like recently I sewed the elastic band on, if you want to be able to take it on and off, and it will lay just as flat. So So now I'm securing the sides. Okay, so anyways, while I'm doing this, I could just tell you a little bit about what I like about the hair. Okay, I love the hair. I love that the hair holds a curl, and when it holds a curl, I mean it holds for days. This is like the first hair on Aliexpress that I found that actually does what I need to do. Only thing is that the hair is a little thin, but like I said, I did end up going back and buying another 26 inch, which I should have known that I was going to need two 26 inches anyways. But oh, and I hate the closures that are already coming apart, so I actually shifted my part over a little bit to make my own part, because I hate the ones that they make it just look so fake. But other than that, I love the hair. I would definitely buy it again. It's affordable, and I barely get any shedding out of it, and the hair is so soft. So right here, I'm cutting the lace off, and you do not want to cut the lace off straight. And I'm not cutting all of the lace off either, but you want to make the zig. You want to cut the lace in zigzag. So your hair needs to be going up and down when you're cutting with the scissors, like you see me doing right here. And that way, the lace will melt into your skin, as you can see here, and I haven't even glued anything yet. And by the way, I did pluck my closure a little bit. I didn't over pluck it though. And I'm taking some alcohol and I'm cleaning off my skin, making sure I get all of that oil and dirt and makeup residue off, so that I won't have any problem with my wig sticking. And I'm adding some Got to Be Glue gel here, a thin layer, and you're gonna blow dry that on cool. I don't remember if I did one layer of Got to Be Glue or 2 layers. I'm just taking my rat tail comb just to make sure that cap is not rolling up. I guess I only did one. So now right here I'm spraying that with spritz as well, and then I'm gonna blow dry that on cool, and then make sure it's tacky, and then I'm gonna stick my closure down. So yes, you finna see how well this melts into my skin. Do you not see that? Like, what lace? And I haven't even laid no baby hairs down or anything. But also I did try this with the Ghost Bond glue, and I like the Ghost Bond glue because it holds a lot longer. My problem is that I cannot get it the last 3 to 4 weeks. So if you guys have any recommendation of how you make the Ghost Bond glue last, please comment below and let me know, please. The longest I got the glue to last was like a week and a half. But so right here, I'm just making some baby hairs, cutting and getting ready to lay them. And then I made my baby hairs look really natural. Not overdoing it or anything, just enough. Like, just look right here. Like, that lace, honey. Like, you do not see anything. Like, you cannot see the demarcation or anything. It looks so good. So now that I finished laying my edges how I want them, I'm gonna tie the black strip around my head, and I use 2 of them. These black strips will become your best friend when you need to mold your baby hairs into place. So now I'm taking some heat protected spray, and I'm not spraying too much because you do not want your hair to get weighed down. And I'm just going to add some wand curls. So I'm using the Remington wand curler, and I used it on the highest temperature, which is like 450. And I just wrapped the hair around and I held it for a few seconds, and then I took the hair off the wand and I hold it till it gets a little cool, just to keep it shape, and then I spray hair. So yeah, I put a clip right there just to give that little, you know, like that little height, that little lift there. And I did that on both sides. So I completed the other side and just look at that. Like, I'm looking like a whole entree, not a snack. And if you want to see that makeup tutorial, just look in the description box. I'll put it right there. And you just want to finger comb them curls out a little bit just to get them nice and fluffy. And yes, just looks so good. Like, I was so proud of myself. Like, I was feeling myself. Yes, honey. Yes. So yeah, you guys, that's how you go from looking like a bald head scallywag and got no hair back to Rapunzel, honey, on them hoes. So yes, if you like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe, and give my video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.